Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. So today we are making a classic root beer float. So let's get started. What the ingredients are is 1 tub of vanilla ice cream, root beer, whipped cream, chocolate sauce, cherries, and some sprinkles. And I have a frosted mug to make the taste more cold. So now what we do is we get our ice cream scooper and we do 3 large scoops of the vanilla French ice cream into the glass. If 2 looks good, one more little one. And now we put that to the side. And now we get the root beer. Now we get our whipped cream. We get a little bit of chocolate sauce, just a dash. That's good. And now we get some sprinkles. And a cherry. Voila! And let's get a spoon and try it. And guys, you should so make this. This is the best root beer float I've ever had. And I hope you like this. Drop a comment if you like this. Hit that like. There's a bell icon below. Enable all notifications. Hit that red subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.